All right, Zach here with Zach's Fix It. I just want to give you a tip here on traveling, and if you're not a big fan of the iron like I'm not, how you can get wrinkles out. So here's a suit. You can see some of the wrinkles here on the arms and definitely on the back here. I'm going to show you how to hopefully do that without too much. So this particular iron, and most irons have a spray button that you'll see sprays. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but it sprays out the front. And then this other button is steam. So I've turned the iron all the way up to where it says max. That's up to you, but just to get a good amount of steam. I've added water. You can see the water line, I think. If you cannot, it comes out to about right here. I'll add more water if I need to. I've got some backup water here. But what I'm gonna do is use this steam button to steam this jacket like a steamer. So I'm putting it close, hitting the steam button until the steam stops. And as you can see, taking the wrinkles out. If you want to iron it, of course, it would be pressed better, but I'm not a big fan of ironing. So I'm just gonna show you quickly. And you have to pause a little sometimes with the iron heat up so it'll continue to make the steam. Obviously test this out before you're in front of your garment, your jacket, your shirt, whatever it is. Test it out before you get it soaked, because the first time I pushed the button, it came out very wet. The iron wasn't hot enough and it just sprayed water out. All right, so I think I'm starting to run out of water. Go ahead and add some water. I believe this iron has to be down to add it, so I'm gonna, obviously I'm leaking it. But, all right, so now I'm gonna test it again. Make sure it's not spraying water out. No, it's back to steam, so I think I'm good. So, hopefully you can tell, got a good job. I'll flip it around and do the same, but just want to give you this quick tip, travel hack from Zach's Fix It. You guys have a great day, thanks. Please like and subscribe also. Thank you, bye.